How your kidneys clean 180 liters of blood every day. Did you know that every single day your kidneys filter about 180 liters of fluid? That's enough to fill a bathtub. Yet, despite processing this enormous amount of blood, they produce only about 1 to 2 liters of urine. How do two bean-shaped organs perform such an incredible feat without ever taking a break? And what happens when this remarkable filtration system starts to fail? Stay with me as we journey deep inside one of the most efficient cleaning systems ever created, the human kidney. Your body is constantly producing waste. Every time your cells generate energy, they release unwanted byproducts into the bloodstream. If these wastes accumulated, they would become toxic and threaten your survival. Fortunately, you have two highly specialized organs working around the clock to keep your blood clean, your kidneys. Located just below your rib cage, on either side of your spine, these fist-sized organs perform hundreds of essential tasks every day. In this video, we'll explore the normal function of the kidneys, their amazing anatomy, how they clean 180 liters of blood daily, what happens when things go wrong, warning signs of kidney disease, and how to keep your kidneys healthy. Let's begin. Most people think kidneys only make urine, but their responsibilities go far beyond that. Your kidneys help remove waste products. They filter harmful substances such as urea, creatinine, excess acids, toxins. 2. Balance water levels. Too much water? The kidneys remove it. Too little water? They conserve it. 3. Regulate electrolytes. They maintain proper levels of sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphate. 4. Control blood pressure. They help regulate blood volume and release hormones that influence blood pressure. 5. Produce important hormones. The kidneys produce erythropoietin, stimulates red blood cell production. Renin helps regulate blood pressure. 6. Activate vitamin D. This supports healthy bones and calcium absorption. In short, kidneys are not just filters, they're master regulators of your internal environment. To understand how kidneys clean blood, we first need to understand their structure. Each kidney contains 3 main regions: renal cortex, the outer layer where filtration begins; renal medulla, the inner region containing pyramid-shaped structures that concentrate urine; renal pelvis, the funnel-like area that collects urine before sending it to the bladder. But the true heroes are microscopic structures called nephrons. Each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons. That means your body has roughly 2 million tiny filtration units working simultaneously. Each nephron consists of glomerulus, a tiny ball of capillaries where blood filtration starts; Bowman's capsule, a cup-like structure that catches filtered fluid; tubules, specialized channels that reclaim useful substances and remove wastes. These nephrons are the reason your kidneys can process such enormous volumes of blood every day. Now for the fascinating part. Every day, about 1,800 liters of blood pass through your kidneys. From this blood, around 180 liters of fluid are filtered into the nephrons. Let's break this process into 3 stages. Stage 1, filtration. Inside the glomerulus, blood pressure forces water and small molecules through tiny filtration membranes. The filtered substances include water, glucose, salts, amino acids, waste products. Large proteins and blood cells remain in the bloodstream. This creates approximately 180 liters of filtrate each day. Stage 2, reabsorption.
Your resource, breathing nutrient.
If all 180 liters left the body, you'd become severely dehydrated. Instead, the kidneys reclaim nearly everything useful. The tubules reabsorb 99% of water, glucose, amino acids, essential minerals. These valuable substances return to the bloodstream. This step is why only a tiny fraction becomes urine. Stage 3, secretion. The kidneys perform one final quality check. Additional wastes and excess ions are actively transported from the blood into the tubules. These include hydrogen ions, potassium, certain medications, toxins. The result is a concentrated waste solution called urine. Only about 1 to 2 liters leave your body each day. The kidneys have essentially filtered a bathtub's worth of fluid while conserving nearly everything your body needs. Imagine a city's water treatment plant suddenly malfunctioning. Waste would begin accumulating everywhere. The same thing happens when kidneys become damaged. When nephrons are injured, filtration slows, waste accumulates, fluid balance becomes disrupted, electrolytes become abnormal. This condition is known as kidney disease. Often, damage develops slowly and silently over many years. Several factors can damage kidney tissue. High blood pressure. Excess pressure injures delicate blood vessels. Diabetes. High blood sugar damages filtering units over time. Chronic dehydration. Insufficient water stresses the kidneys. Excessive painkiller use. Long-term use can reduce blood flow to kidney tissue. Smoking reduces oxygen delivery and damages blood vessels. Infections. Repeated infections may scar kidney tissue. Genetic disorders. Certain inherited conditions affect kidney function. When kidneys fail to remove waste effectively, a dangerous chain reaction begins. First, waste products build up in the bloodstream. Then, fluid accumulates throughout the body. Next, electrolyte imbalances affect muscles and nerves. Blood pressure rises. Red blood cell production decreases. Oxygen delivery falls. Eventually, multiple organs begin struggling to function properly. Without treatment, severe kidney failure can become life-threatening. Kidney disease often develops quietly. Common warning signs include persistent fatigue, toxin buildup and anemia reduce energy levels, swollen feet and ankles, excess fluid accumulates in tissues, changes in urination, more frequent urination, less urination, foamy urine, blood in urine, high blood pressure, often both a cause and consequence of kidney disease, nausea and loss of appetite, waste accumulation affects digestion, difficulty concentrating, toxins can affect brain function. Many people ignore these symptoms until significant kidney damage has already occurred. The good news is that many kidney problems can be prevented. Stay hydrated. Drink adequate water throughout the day. Control blood pressure. Monitor and manage hypertension. Manage blood sugar, especially important for people with diabetes. Eat a kidney-friendly diet. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, moderate salt intake. Exercise regularly. Supports cardiovascular and kidney health. Avoid smoking. Protects blood vessels and kidney tissue. Get regular checkups. Early detection dramatically improves outcomes. If kidney failure becomes severe, treatments may include dialysis, kidney transplantation. Here's something truly incredible. If all the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys were stretched end to end, they would span approximately 100 kilometers or over 60 miles. And every day, your kidneys filter enough fluid to fill a bathtub while returning almost all of it back to your body. Few organs work harder. Even while you sleep, your kidneys never stop cleaning, balancing, and protecting your blood. Your kidneys are among the most remarkable organs in the human body. Every day, they filter around 180 liters of fluid, remove toxins, regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and help keep every cell alive. Yet because kidney disease often develops silently, many people don't realize there's a problem until significant damage has occurred. That's why understanding your kidneys and taking care of them is one of the most important investments you can make in your long-term health. The next time you take a drink of water, remember the two silent heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your blood clean and your body in balance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating journeys through the human body. Thanks for watching.